Everyone, today we are going to see about basic 3D tools, very few tools like 4 or 5 tools, which is the basic and essential tools which we should know as a 3D renderer. Okay, first thing, whenever you open AutoCAD, either it's a 2D or 3D, the first thing which we have to do is setting units. Enter, and I would like to keep it in decimal, and I want precision for 2 digits, and I'm changing it to millimeter, which is convenient. Okay, whatever your convenience, you can change accordingly. I'm using millimeters. And now, since I have a preset setting of 3D basic, I have all the 3D icons here. But in case in your system, in your software, if you have like this, means you are in normal drafting and annotation workspace setting. Okay, how to change it? Same like you will be seeing all your icons here. This is basic setup of AutoCAD where you are using 2D tools and editing icons. Now to change it, I just go to workspace switching, okay, which is right over here like a setting symbol before the lock symbol. I'm just clicking on it and I'm selecting 3D basics. I will tell you the examples for different types of what is the 3D basics, 3D modeling, AutoCAD classic. We will see in the future videos. Let's now select 3D basic. Okay, once I select the 3D basic, you could see my here the two tabs all has been changed to 3D basic tools. Okay, but today we are not going to see directly on the available tools. First we will try to draw all the 3D basic tools using our uh, commands. Okay, it's more or less same. Either you can click over here and start drawing, or you can start drawing using your command tools also. Okay, here I have changed the workspace setting, but I have not changed my view. So before that, either I can draw in 2D and then I can convert my view directly here, or I can convert to the 3D view directly. So I'm just directly changing my view to 3D by clicking the home tab button in the toggle screen. Okay, now let's try to make a square. Okay, I'm selecting line L, enter. Shortcut for line is L. Specify first point. I'm just selecting, and I want to switch on ortho to have a 90-degree straight line. Okay, I'm just switching on ortho. So F8 is the shortcut. Okay, now it shows in right angle 0. So let us assume 8 mm. Okay, 8, and then I'm pressing C, which is a close, and the box is closed. Now if I select this is a single object. I want to make it as all the 4 lines as a single segment, which is called a single object. So I'm going to use the command region, or region, region, and then I press enter. Select objects. I have selected the object and I have clicked enter. Now if you see, it's a single object. Now I'm going to convert this into a 3D object. For that I'm going to use the command called extrude. Here you can see extrude, and its shortcut is EXT. Okay, extrude, and then I'm clicking enter. What is asking? Select objects. So this is the object which I want to extrude, and I press enter. Okay, specify the height of extrusion. In these latest versions you have the option of dragging like this, but previously these options were not available in the version of 2008, 2000, like that. Okay, so I'm going to specify the height. For me, I'm just going for 3.5 mm height. So this is the height of the box. Okay, now if you see this box, it's not so realistic. It's like an isometric drawing or a 2D drawing. I just want to change the look. So what I have to do is, here layers and view, you can see the visual style. Okay, it's showing 2D wireframe. This I have to select, and I want to see which type I'm going to use. Now it is in 2D frame. If you see, I click conceptual, it will be like this. If I click hidden, so all that it will be shown like a 2D, but the interception lines will be hidden in this. Like this, there are different types of this is there. Once you choose color also, then you can see what type of different views you are getting. I'm always going to use shades with edges option is there, shade without edges is there. I'm going to use shades without edges. Okay, this is become a box like this. Not only for box, whatever shape you are drawing, you can extrude it into solid. I'm just drawing a circle and I'm using the command extrude, enter, select, and I want to specify the height as 6. Okay, you can see here. Now let's go for an irregular shape. I'm using polyline since it will be a gonna be a single object. I'm using directly polyline instead of drawing it in line and then converting it to a polyline or a region. Better to go for this. Okay, now this is the object. I want to make it into 3D. Extrude, ext, enter, select object, this object, enter, height. If you give in minus, it will go down. Okay, I am giving -3. So -3 means it will go down. Whatever we are giving, it will go down. If you give in plus value, it will go above the origin, minus below the origin. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is one command which we have seen is extrude. Okay, now instead of moving into the next direct 3D command, in this what are the subtraction, intersection, those commands we are going to see. For that, I'm just changing to the top view. I'll just move this object inside to the merging to the circle. Okay, I'll just switch off the ortho and I'm placing it here, and I'm moving this object to here. Okay, let's give different colors for this. Okay, I'm just going to change the colors, going to properties, color, this will be red and this will be yellow and this will be say green in color. Okay, so you can see the differences when we are doing the other things. Okay, and let's go back to the 3D. Now if you can see, all three are different heights which we have given, so it's like this. Okay, now first command which we are going to see is subtract. Okay, sub, subtract. Okay, shortcut is sub, subtract, and give enter. First it is telling you select the objects. Okay, first if I am selecting this circle, okay, I want to subtract this circle. Okay, enter, from this object, enter. Okay, means the one which we are selecting first will remain there. Okay, and the second object which we are selecting will be subtracted from this. So you can see, the full object which has intersected area will be bisected and it will be deleted. Okay, I'm doing undo. Okay, for example, again subtract, I'm selecting this box first, enter, and then this circle, enter. So you can see the difference. The one which we are selecting first will remain, and the next which we have selected, the both intersection will go off. Let's see in these two objects. Again subtract, I would like to keep this red color box alive, enter, and this object, enter. See, you can see wherever the common intersection was there, it has been subtracted. This command basically where we will use is, for example, this is an object. Okay, you want to make 3 holes in this, so let's draw a circle. I have drawn a circle and I want to select the circle. I have selected it and I'm extruding it. Okay, extruding it to say 4. Okay, it's already extruded. Let's go to the view. Okay, and front view. So here if you see, since I have given this as 4, you can see this is being projected 4 here, but since this value has given in minus, it is going down. So what I would like to do is I will just add one more object. Okay, add one more circle, drawing here, selecting this and extrude. The distance will be -4 so that you can see the difference. Since I have given -4, it's coming from the below level. Okay, now let's make the hole. So subtract, sub, subtract, from this object select this object, so you can see the hole. Okay, like this basic we can do the subtraction. This is the use of subtraction. Okay, now let's see about the intersection. Okay, I'm going to draw a circle again like this. Okay, extrude, select object, giving -5. Okay, now if you see here, okay, it is going taking this level and it's been -5, it's going down. Now it has taken this as 0 level. I'm going to change this. I would just like to extend this or move this, whatever I can do I will do. Now it is intersected in between each other, it's intersected already. The level may be indifferent as we did not set proper level, I just dragged it. Now INTE, okay, intersect, INTE, intersect, or you can type full also, INTE or SECT, and I am giving enter. Okay, now it is asking select object, this object and this object, enter. So the common intersection for both the objects will be there, the remaining portions will be deleted. This is the use of intersection. Hope you understood. I'm just going to undo, Control Z. Okay, these two objects are there. Okay, intersect, INTER, intersect. Okay, enter, select the objects, this object and this object, enter. So the common intersected area will be available for us. Okay, like this we can make whatever shapes we need, we can draw the shapes like that. Okay, this is a very basic tool. Like this we have lot of basic tools, okay, that will be posted in coming videos. By seeing the response what I get for all this these 2-3 comments and any doubts in case if you have, so that we can move forward. Whatever you have doubts or you need specific commands to be explained in coming videos, you can post it in the comments so that I could reply and I will make a video accordingly. Hereafter you will get videos regularly. Previously our channel was fully meant for only Tamil audience, but here we have just moved to English channel as an English channel, like, so that everybody can understand, not only for a particular region of people, everybody can understand. But hopefully I will be doing the same video in Tamil language for all the Tamil audience also. So let's see. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day.